experiencing connectivity issues with your T-Mobile hotspot, a reset might be the solution. There are two types: soft reset, which is a reboot, and hard reset, which is a factory wipe. Start by accessing the web UI, typically by typing 192.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 into your browser while connected to the hotspot's Wi-Fi. The default login is often admin for both username and password, but check the device sticker. Once logged in, locate the Reset or System section to initiate a reset. Also, verify your APN settings in the web UI under Mobile Network Settings. T-Mobile's default APN is fasttmobile.com. Incorrect APN settings can prevent internet access, especially if you are using a custom SIM or MVNO. Pinhole settings, also known as port forwarding or DMZ, are for advanced users needing inbound connections for things like gaming servers or remote access. These settings are typically found under Advanced Networking in the web UI. Be cautious when configuring pinhole settings, as incorrect setups can create security vulnerabilities. It's best to use a firewall after a reset for mitigation. Common mistakes include forgetting the login credentials, failing to back up settings before a hard reset, and neglecting to check APN settings post-reset. Note that T-Mobile's app now offers remote resets, which can bypass the physical buttons on the device. Remember, resetting clears all custom settings, including Wi-Fi passwords, requiring you to reconfigure the device afterwards.